4, 3, 2, 1, go. 300 up the middle, right to 40. Then right to slowing through gate into left 8, narrow slippy, care past post. Care 80, hairpin left plus, slippy, and right too long, tightens, don't cut, care. Into right 7, slippy, 80 down the middle. Right 5, 40 slowing for hairpin left, slippy continues. Into right 7 long, 100 through dip, slippy continues. 3 right opens into right 2 long, logs inside, 250, up the middle. Turn, tight hairpin right, 60. Right 2, 40, left 7 plus, long, 130, up middle. Left 1 into right 8, slippy. Left 1, right 8. Slippy into right 2, long. And middle over small crest and left 7 plus, long tightens. 60. Left 2 over crest, 40. Left 2 opens, continues for 100, 60. Small crest and stay right for turn left 9 round bail. 60 up the middle. Right 3 into left 3 long, slippy, tightens over junction. 80. Left 3, slippy continues. And right 4 half long slowing, turn hairpin left, tight logs. Logs both sides. 80, logs and mud continue. Right 4, 3 left. Into right 7, into left 8. Care tight. Right 8 long, logs. Into left 5, right 5. Into left 5. Into right 3, left 7. 40. Right 4, late, don't cut. And right 2, past quarry, tightens, into right 3 long. 60, up the middle. Right 2, 130, up the middle. Right 2, 40. Middle over small crest, long 40. Left 2 long past quarry, into right 3. Into turn, left 4. 40 care, right 5 tight, into left 5. 60 down, slowing for turn hairpin left, tight, don't cut. 60, slippy continues. Left 4 care, 40, slippy. Care bump, stay mid into right 3 over crest, jump. 100 bumpy. Narrow care crest bump. 60 down, falling away to turn tight hairpin right. Into left 3, slippy continues, right 3. And down. To left 4 long, slippy continues, and left 5, don't cut. Care 60. Left 8 half long, 40 down the middle. Left 4, 200. middle over small crest and middle over small crest bump, 300 down. Left 2 plus into middle over small crest, middle through dip, 130. Right 3 over small dip and 2 left over crest, 100. Small crest into right 2, 40. Middle small crest, right 3 tightens past junction, 130. Right 3 plus, 40. Right 4 long tightens and left 4 slowing into chicane, bus stop on the right. $150. Right 2 over small crest into left 4 plus. Continues for 100 and tightens. Into left 7 slippy. 100. Right 4 opens long care, do not cut, stay tight. 60. Left 4, right 4, don't cut, care, 40. Left 8, 450, up the middle. Chicane, bus stop on the right. Likely to be logs on the left, yep, 300. Middle over flat crest, 700.
Not running right.
Sorry?
It's not running right.
Right. Island ahead, care, turn left 7 and turn hairpin right round the island. And middle over crossroads.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
$170. Left 7 plus opens. Middle over flat crest. 100 care. Right 8 long and right 3. $350. Left 2 plus, 250, tight ahead. Turn tight hairpin left, don't cut. $150, rough maybe, going down, go through posts, ruts and slippy approaching, onto turn tight hairpin right. Out through posts, 200. Left 4 plus long deceptive, 60 down. Right 7, very slippy, 60. Left 3 slowing, and 60 to chicane on the right hand side over junction.
Doesn't want to rev over.
Sorry?
Doesn't want to rev over 7.
Okay. 100. Right 5 plus, 40. Left 7 tightens over crest, 60 slowing. Left 8 tightens long, very tight, and stay right over junction. Into right 2, 100. Flat crest middle, 400. right 2 half long, 60, care logs ahead, to right 3, care logs plus, continues for 150 and tightens, into right 7 plus, slippy. And right 2 continues for 130, tightens, into right 3, 300 up the middle. Turn tight hairpin right.
Doesn't want to go.
130 tight ahead. Left 4 continues for 150 and tightens. Into left 7 tightens, slowing for sudden turn left 9. Don't cut, tight. .200 loose. Turn left 9 tightens over bump. And right 5 opens into right 2 continues for 130. Then 230. Crest into left 2, 300 through dip.
That's it, it's flat out.
Left 3 continues and tightens, slippy. Into left 5 plus long, slippy. Into right 5, 60 slowing. For left 8, 40. Left 4 and turn left 7, don't cut, care. 40. Right 2 long, 130. 4 left camber, 80. Right 2 tightens into right 4, 130. Left 2 and left 3 half long, don't cut. And left 2 plus, 150. Right 2 plus continues for 200. Then 130. Right 2, 60. Left 3, right 3, left 4. 40 slowing, left 8 past the fire brake. 100, flat crest middle, 130. Right 2 plus, 150 up the middle. Turn right 4 plus, 80. Left 2 long, over finish, into left 3 long, 80.